You searched how to buy shares of CoreWeave Inc. CoreWeave provides GPU-accelerated cloud infrastructure for AI, rendering, and high-performance computing, and it trades on NASDAQ under the ticker CRWV. This video is educational only and does not provide financial advice. To buy CRWV, you need a brokerage account, and I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After signing up, you will need to verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place a buy order. Use the platform search box and type the ticker CRWV to find CoreWeave Inc. Select the result that matches the NASDAQ listing to ensure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, review the company summary and the price chart to confirm it is CoreWeave Inc. Check the exchange shows NASDAQ and that the ticker is CRWV before proceeding. Tap Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details, such as order type and estimated cost, before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may execute when trading reopens. And if you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before placing the order. Once executed, your CoreWeave position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For more information and a link to eToro, see the description below.